everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you on a visual escape to one of the most serene and hidden corners of Rome. Look at these delicate details. Nature showing off its vibrant red and green berries right here at the start. And just a few steps away, look at this rustic wooden bridge over a moss-covered pond. It feels like a secret fairy tale garden. Even the pigeons have found their peaceful little spot here. And standing tall among the trees is this beautiful historic clock tower, capturing the essence of timeless beauty. See those padlocks left on the fence? A symbol of love and secret promises. As we move around, the pond reveals a hidden stone cave or grotto, making this place feel incredibly mysterious and enchanting. Now, let's start our climb up these classic stone steps. You can see tourists and locals taking a leisurely stroll. The weathered walls tell a story of their own, and every step takes us higher into this beautiful park. We are walking along Viale Gabriele D'Annunzio. The pathway is surrounded by lush greenery, giving us a perfect break from the busy city life. Look at this unique circular fountain with a perfectly shaped green bush right in the middle. It's like a living piece of art tucked away in the woods. We are now reaching the final stretch, walking up the Salita del Pincio steps. Hold on to your seats because the view waiting for us at the top is going to be absolutely spectacular. As we walk through these grand iron gates, the space suddenly opens up into a massive, lively plaza. Welcome to the famous Piazzale Napoleone. You can hear the beautiful background music and feel the vibrant energy of people enjoying the day. This is the heart of the terrace. People are renting multi-rider bicycles, kids are playing, and everyone is moving towards the edge. Let's head over to the terrace balcony to see what the buzz is all about. And there it is! Behold the stunning, breathtaking view of Piazza del Popolo in Rome. From up here, the architecture, the grand obelisk, and the city skyline look absolutely majestic. Thank you so much for exploring this beautiful path with me today. If you loved this journey, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. See you in the next video.